My favorite feature in the Fundy Designer is the wall art feature. Let me walk you through that process. As you can see, there's a wall here with a lot of real estate. I'll have the favorite images that I have in mind, and I will drag it on the wall. I will choose a size that I typically like to see. I'll drag another. But when I'm designing it, I want to keep the aesthetics similar, so the wardrobes has to match. And I have my first layout. After I'm done with this, I'll send a copy of this to my clients, give them different options. For example, I did my sister's maternity session last week, and she told me exactly where she wanted in the house, and I had to make sure the Fundy Designer actually had a place for it. And she's loving it so far. Now it's time for her to cut the checks for me. No family specials. I'm gonna encourage you, if you're deciding on what software to use, the Fundy Designer is a must-have. If you wanna have wall art, it's a no-brainer. Your clients deserve to have wall art, you deserve to have wall art, and it makes sense to use Fundy Designer to make that happen. Trust me, you will not regret it. I haven't so far.